Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a business account on Instagram. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. So on your Instagram profile, tap on these three lines on the top right corner. Then select settings. And here I'm going to scroll down and tap on the account. And here let's scroll down a bit and select switch to professional account. And let's tap on continue. Let's tap on continue once again. And here you need to select your profession. So I'm going to select artist. And if you want your profession display on your profile, just turn that switch on. And if you don't, you can keep it as it is. So let's tap on done to move on to the next step. So since we are going to create a business account, I'm going to select the second option. And then I'm going to tap on next. Here you need to write down your email address. Also, you can write down your phone number, but it's not mandatory for now. So after you finish, simply tap on next. You can also connect your Instagram account to your Facebook account, but I'm going to skip that part. And we successfully created our business account, and you need to set up your account by following those 5 steps. I'm going to skip that part because it takes a lot of time to show you all of these one by one, but basically you need to add some bio, you need to add some profile picture, you need to follow some creators, and you need to invite some people to your Instagram business page. So I'm going to close this tab, and that's basically how to create an Instagram business account. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.